Hey, Dax here of Pit Stop Pilipinas. So today, 9th of February, nakita naman siguro ninyo ang nilabas na livery ng Cadillac Formula 1 team. And I know ang iba sa inyo talagang alam na si Checo Perez ang sinusuportahan kong driver ever since na nasa Racing Point pa lang siya hanggang sa lumipat siya sa Red Bull at ngayon nasa Cadillac. Hindi naman obvious, di ba? As a Checo fan and now, of course, as a Cadillac Formula 1 team fan, I am somehow compelled na magbigay ng aking reaksyon sa nilabas nilang livery. First of all, gusto ko yung monochromatic na design na ginawa nila, especially with the combinations of white tsaka yung black. So for me, yung color scheme is simple pero bold yung pagkaka-design. Actually, yung kanilang livery ngayon, it reminds me of the McLaren Mercedes West Formula 1 team noong 2000 hanggang 2005, which was predominantly silver and black din yung color scheme. Pero ang pagkakaiba sa Cadillac Formula 1 livery is sa isang side, dominant yung black and then sa isang side dominant yung white. So parang asymmetrical na dual color yung kanilang dinisenyo. Na ang sinasabi ng iba din na parang ginaya nila yung 1999 na BAR Honda racing team na split yung color. Pero magkaiba naman kasi yung BAR Honda racing team, red yung kalahati pero blue yung kalahati. But because of the white or silver and then combination ng black, mas madaling magkaroon ng split na design on each of the sides of the Cadillac F1 car. Pero yun nga, sayang kasi kung titignan mo yung logo ng Cadillac, merong gold, red, tsaka blue. Sana na-incorporate nila to sa current na Cadillac F1 car na may konting highlights man lang ng gold, may konting highlights ng blue or ng red, di ba? Para hindi naman siya super similar sa color scheme ng Mercedes at saka yung Haas F1 team. Pero for me, overall, yung Cadillac F1 team, especially sa design department nila, did a good job in conceptualizing and then yung execution ng kanilang current livery. Pero in terms of marketing, I think Cadillac is doing the best job in marketing their Formula 1 team, lalong-lalo na sa mga US fan base. And I think the car looks quick, so sana may ibubuga din sila sa next na Formula 1 season.